All right, so another derivative rule we're going to take a look at is derivatives of log functions. And again, like exponential, they're very similar. So the common logarithm, you guys will notice that there's kind of two parts to it. We have the base right here, and then we also have the value that we're taking the log of. In a natural logarithm, the base is e. All right, so the base is e, and we're still taking the log of something, right? Something inside of that, but specifically with natural logs, the base is e. So a couple things for us. The derivative of a log is going to be 1 over the natural log of whatever the base is times 1 over whatever is inside of the logarithm. Okay. Now with a natural log, it's the same thing. It's 1 over the natural log of e, which is the base, times 1 over whatever is inside of that logarithm. Now the key here too is to understand that 1 over the natural log of e is just 1. So really, our derivative is just 1 over x. All right, let's take a look at a couple examples, and then we'll get you guys working on this. So the first one here, it says we want to find f prime if f of x equals the log base 4 of x minus 4 natural log of x. Now keep in mind, this is just a coefficient to the natural log of x, so it'll stay in front. So the derivative of this function, f prime of x, is equal to 1 over the natural log of 4 times, right, we took care of the base, now times 1 over whatever's inside of the logarithm. So 1 over the natural log of 4 times 1 over x minus, we're going to have that coefficient times the derivative of ln of x, which is just 1 over x. Now, we could rewrite this, so f prime of x looks like 1 over the natural log of 4 times x, or sometimes we might see that written like the other way. We might see it written as x ln 4, and then minus 4 over x. All right, another example for you, if we have f of x equals 3 ln x plus e to the x, and we want to find f prime of 2, one thing to keep in mind when we're substituting these values in is a lot of times without a calculator, we just leave it in that form. So finding the derivative, f prime equals 3 times 1 over x, and then remember from the last lesson, e to the x, the derivative is itself, e to the x. So if I want to find f prime at 2, it would be 3 times 1 over 2 plus e squared. Or f prime at 2 is 3 halves plus e squared. All right, give this a little practice and let's see how it goes.